Well, hello, my name is Richard, and I was referred to Dr. Wilhelm all the way back in 1990. And I'm a business executive, and I live here locally in the Newport Beach area. I'll tell you the one thing about Dr. Wilhelm's practice. He has a tight-knit family. The one thing that permeates the whole practice is care. And it's caring about the patient, doing the right thing all the time. I have such a high degree of trust that I know I'm getting the very, very best care. And I couldn't be, more satisfied with what not just Dr. Wilhelm, but all of his people do and how well they do it. It's a quality environment. And once you walk in here, you feel quality. But as you get to meet the people, you realize, gosh, he's pulled together a wonderful team and they're all in support of each other. You're gonna get high quality care from people that care.